cauliflower, spinach and red lentil dal. Prepare the ingredients. Grate 2 cups of cauliflower, shred a small bunch of silver beet, heat a pot on a high heat, add 1 teaspoon of cumin and 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, and dry roast. Add 1 cup of tinned tomatoes and stir. Add 3 teaspoons of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of coriander and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Stir well. Add 2 cups of red lentils and 4 cups of water and stir. Add a cinnamon stick, add the 2 cups of grated cauliflower and stir. Cover with a lid and bring to the boil. When boiling, reduce the heat to a simmer and cook until the lentils are soft. Stir from time to time. Add a little water if necessary. When the lentils are soft, add salt to taste. Add 1 teaspoon of garam masala and stir. Add the shredded spinach and stir well. Serve with cooked brown rice and mango chutney.